Do 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 do.
Do you understand the significance of your play on? We'll meet again. Very well done, Ross. Very well done indeed. Peter, well, I tell you what, if you're a vegetarian, you're a wonderful advertisement for it because you look terrific.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
I'd love to have one of those bows. I'd love to have the hair to be able to have one of those bows. I've got some friends here, pretty model sort of group. Do you mind if they come down and join us?
Certainly.
Come on down.
Come down here.
Come on down. Ronnie's not here, by the way. Ronnie Burns, he's in the primal therapy room, preparing for his song. Come down. Have you met everybody, Peter? This is Sister Mary Leonard, this one here.
Good morning, Sister Mary.
Nice to meet you. Donna Lee.
Hello, how are you?
Jonathan Coleman, who's knocking off food already.
Jonathan, your hunger is ahead of you.
Just take Peter Chaplin.
Brother Robin.
Yes. Let me ask you, the people who knock vegetarian food say it's bland, it's dull, it might be good for you, but it's not fun. Now, is that true?
It's probably been that way in the past. I'm sure there's been many establishments which have served up food which hasn't been as appetising and as colourful and as nutritionally balanced as what it should be.
Right. What have you got going for us today, Peter?
We're just going to do a very, very simple pasta dish today with some green pasta.
By the way. Come in nice
some
and
green
close.
pasta and we've got a little bit of wine here as well.
Yes, trust you to find the wine, Coleman.
I thought I was just taking a leak.
When I give my next party, there are two people I'm going to invite. I'm going to invite you and John Deeks. I mean, you know that line? That is the best line John has heard for 12 months. You've got a similar sort of sense of humour.
That was $50. You sold it to me.
OK, as you were saying, Peter.
We're going to do a very, very quick pasta dish, and it's with some pureed pumpkin, and it's got some black pepper in it, a whole assortment of herbs, a little splash of white wine.
I'll be in charge of that. Look after
Yeah,
it.
you please take
Okay, well, off
care
you
of
go.
it.
Off you go.
We're just going to get this
cook
fired
well,
up here.
Oh, I'm a pretty good cook. Oh, wow, I should have said that now.
Vegetarian,
Oh, well,
do you
Listen,
fancy?
someone's got to
Yes,
finish
I'm
off these salads for me, right?
Oh, great.
OK, maybe
and
Jonathan
somebody-
could do that.
Actually, I'm going to the health farm, actually.
What are you
That's
going?
right, you're off
I'm
already,
going
aren't you?
I'm going on Sunday.
Right.
Sunday,
Which one's that, Jonathan?
Hopewood, Wallachia.
Yeah, good. And you're going to report on the show for us?
Yes, you pretty well
Health farm?
recognise me. I'll be...
How many times have you been to a health farm now, Jonathan?
I usually go a couple of times a year.
Yeah.
I don't just go just to lose weight. I go to cleanse and
hide.
And to hide and unwind and just relax because get all those toxins out of my body that I put in most days.
OK.
Now, Bert, I think this might be your little honour here, right?
Certainly, OK.
You're going to have to finally chop up
Just chop it
all
up?
of this up.
Yep.
Yeah, and as fine as you can get it.
Sure. Onions I'm chopping up?
Yes.
What else am I chopping up, Peter?
You're chopping up the garlic spring onions, the fresh basil, the dill,
Yeah.
and a
You call
little bit of continental parsley.
Fun little part.
Beautiful, beautiful.
You obviously do the cooking at home.
I do a lot
Yes,
of the
I
cooking
can
for
see
Patty
that.
because she's, of course, still got the paper round.
But the bit you dropped on the floor.
That doesn't matter. We're used to that. I'm just so thrilled you can't smell the cats.
You got a problem with cats as well?
Yes. Look. OK, there we go.
Okay.
All done
that
nicely.
done in here.
All done nicely. Where do I whack it?
On this little saucer.
Don't ask Jonathan.
There we go. Plonk that in there.
Standing by the wine.
Standing by.
Sister?
Sister Rupert does most of the cooking.
Sister Rupert?
Yes.
Ah, yes. Is she watching today?
Yes, she is.
All the best, Sister Rupert.
Yes, hello, dear.
Okay, Donna. Now,
Yes.
Donna.
What do I do?
A few tomatoes under my salad for me, our winter salad here.
Okay.
So I
All right.
cut those up nicely, or do vegetarians cut the
From
tomatoes?
top to tail into quarters.
Robin, since your problem, a little health problem, a couple of years ago, do you watch your diet now very carefully?
Not at all.
Oh, fine. Just thought I'd check it.
Robin, that wasn't a good answer at all.
That's a very honest answer, though. Very
I
honest.
love pasta, though. Pasta's excellent here.
Tomatoes being cut up,
Sure.
right?
We're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil.
Yes, in we go with the olive oil.
Into our hot pan here. We just need a little pinch.
Olive oil, good. No,
Olive oil.
No cholesterol.
No cholesterol. The finest oils you can get.
Isn't it? It's good to eat as many raw things as
We've
possible.
got a minute and a half. Can we do it?
a minute and a half.
We've got a minute and a half easy.
Yes.
We've got some finely diced carrots and leeks here.
Finally, diced carrots.
Right,
and
into
leeks.
our extremely hot oil. Now we just...
Yeah. Love the sound, don't you?
Smells like bacon.
This is going to be your cue in a minute here, John.
I'm standing by with the wine. Standing by with the
We're
wine.
just going to let this get hot for about
What's that?
a minute. This is cracked black pepper.
Cracked black pepper.
All right.
It's hard to say. 3 times fast.
By the way, this wine is imported by the Cantarella
It
Brothers.
is imported?
By the Cantarella Brothers, if you're interested in picking some up.
It's a lovely bottle, isn't
I
it?
recommend it, and it's fine. You can use it as a lamp.
When do you put the wine in?
We're going to put the wine in about 30 seconds.
That looks lovely. What's that?
Now this is just pureed pumpkin. Pureed butternut pumpkin.
Lovely.
Right, so we've just cooked it up and we put it through our blender.
Yes.
John's going to have his cue in about 30 seconds.
Standing by with the wine.
Okay, Johnny, in there with it, mate.
How much
a
have you got?
good guzzle.
Just a guzzly.
That's it, good. Flame that off.
In fact, when you
What's
cook with wine, you do all the alcohol goes out of it, isn't it?
That's right. Peter, the big rock stars you've cooked for, do they go vegetarian mainly because they want to be healthy or just because it's the in thing to do?
No, they're healthy. They want to be healthy. I think people are sick and tired of going on tour and sort of coming in and out of it, sort of looking like a dustbin. People are
Who's
very,
your favourite person among the stars you've cooked for?
I'm good friends with the Thompson twins.
Yeah.
They're very good friends of mine. Madonna, obviously, is...
What's Madonna like?
She is a very, very full-on, sharp, professional...
Nice?
lady.
Pleasant?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, knows what she's doing.
Very,
right?
very New York, very out there in the open.
Does she
says
eat much?
exactly...
I bet she doesn't eat much.
Mate, she eats heaps.
Does she?
Does she?
Phew.
All
hope
good,
for us
healthy
then.
stuff, eh? Okay, what happens next,
Herbs
Peter?
next.
We've got 15 seconds.
Okay. This is
15
it.
seconds to prepare it and then 15 seconds
Right.
for Jonathan to devour
Yep.
it.
Herbs next.
Standing by with more wine.
Here's the lovely looking
This is
pumpkin.
our pureed pumpkin.
Yes.
Right. So this is the actual sauce for the pasta.
Can we have this on camera after the next commercial break? Will it be ready?
Yes, it certainly
You
will.
going to stay with us for the rest of the show? Lovely. Welcome back, and Peter has finished the dish. I'd like to bring it over. Peter, our vegetarian pasta. Can we see it? There it is. Bring it over, Peter, for us, if you would. Looks lovely, doesn't it, eh? Just go straight in, mate, and just grab it. Don't worry about them. They'll be right. Bring it over, and we'll ask Jonathan Coleman to
Standing by.
try it for us. Because if I didn't ask him first, we'd be in strife.
Thank you very much, man.
And sit down and join us. There'll be room besides.
Yeah, sure.
Donna and Jonathan. Favour Donna if I were you, Peter. Now that you're just getting into your nice little goodies there, perhaps Donna might like to. Oh, Jonathan, hang on 1 second, mate.
He's
Sister hasn't said grace.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Listening? Name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Ghost. The one who gets here first eats the most.
Good on you, sister.